The National Weather Service in Miami has issued a special marine warning for coastal waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Coastal waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, out 20 nautical miles. Waters from Deerfield Beach to Ocean Reef, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles, excluding the territorial waters of Bahamas. Waters from Jupiter Inlet to Deerfield Beach, Florida, from 20 to 60 nautical miles until 10:45 p.m. At 10:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts was located 16 nautical miles east of Hillsboro Beach, or 17 nautical miles east of Lighthouse Point, moving northeast at 10 knots. Hazard: waterspouts and wind gusts to 40 knots. Source: radar. Impact: waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Report severe weather to the Coast Guard or the National Weather Service. You can also share your report with National Weather Service Miami on Facebook and Twitter.